Hello बच्चों, let's see the question here. An aqueous solution of 6.3 grams oxalic acid dihydrate is made up to 250 ml. The volume of 0.1 NaOH required to completely neutralize 10 ml of this solution is 40 ml, 20 ml, 10 ml, 4 ml. So here we will start the solution. और सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पे start करेंगे with key concept in this case. So for this question, molarity of oxalic acid, that is M1, we will mark this down and we will find first. So it is given that we have 6.3 grams of oxalic acid and molecular weight क्या होता है? Molecular weight of oxalic acid is 90 grams per mole. Okay, multiplied by, here we have volume as 250 ml. So we will convert this in liters. So this will be 250 ml divided by 1000. So if we solve this, we will get this value as 0.2 m. Next, we can find out normality of oxalic acid in this case. So normality, this will be equal to molarity, which is 0.2 multiplied by valency factor for oxalic acid is 2. So that means here normality will be 0.4 N. And normality for NaOH, this is given in the question, that is 0.1 N. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें बोला गया है that the volume of NaOH required to completely neutralize 10 ml of this solution. That means volume of oxalic acid in this case, this is given as 10 ml and we have to find out volume of NaOH required in this case. Okay, so here we know the formula in this case, that is N1 V1, this is equal to N2 V2. So here N1 in this case is 0.4 multiplied by V1 in this case is 10 ml equal to N2 is 0.1 multiplied by V2. That means V2 in this case, this will be 40 ml, which is option A. That means 40 ml of 0.1 NaOH solution, it will be required to completely neutralize 10 ml of oxalic acid solution. This is the final answer. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.